There you go, there's a nice little bass. There you go, that's a beauty. Okay, it's Saturday morning. We're heading down through the Jeep trails. We're gonna head down to drive as far as we can. We're gonna walk down to Eaton Creek, and we're gonna fish Eaton Creek all the way down to Sunday Bluff. See if there's anything fun to catch in the creek. We get down in here a couple times a year. It's a nice day today. It's not that hot yet, so today's a good day to get down in there. It can turn into a marathon walk by the end of the day, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, we made it in. We're geared up, and we're gonna head down the trail. Found the creek, and we're just gonna make our way downstream, looking for holes that might have fish in them. We have no idea how far we're gonna have to go, but this is Eaton Creek right here. Very low water, but it's beautiful, nice and clear. Look at these evil cypress knees. Look at this guy here reaching up. That's a nice red belly. Look at the colors. Look at the colors on them. They're beautiful. They are all colored up. Nice. Something. He grabbed that. He grabbed that lure. That little. There's little alligators in here. Look, there's one right there. He's about 3 foot long. Almost stepped on him. There's one over there. He's like 7 foot. A couple around little 18 inchers and a bunch of little babies on the other side. Oh, Gene had something on there. Hole here. Both about the same size. Both about the same size. They're hungry though. They're really jumping on it. There you go, nice little bass. There's a giant cypress tree we just spotted here. I've never seen it before, but it is huge. This tree is giant. I wish you were over here for relativity, Gene. I got nothing to compare with the width of this tree, but it's huge. There's Gene across the creek there. And here's this tree in view. This tree is huge. I wish I could measure it. There you go. There's another little bluegill. I don't think that's a red belly. I think that's a bluegill. This giant old oak tree. Growing right out of a midden. That's pretty cool. It's all shells in the dirt here. This is a midden area, an Indian midden area. It's all dug up over the years. People digging for relics.